The conversation our national team no interesting kakana, and I want to add a little voice to near say Gabine say Fika no a little bit. See, Black Stars coach our be Juma a man aside coach aya pam we are still owing them, and yente say the powers that be no so yedi obiaka say bia ministry no ni efe no ebi ono so obi oyi juma wo ha o see the day to day run of the affairs yedi obika, but omo a ye ha omo no yedi omo ka, so it means the principal and the agent theory is not working very well. Those who delegates powers are the principals, and those who execute the plans are the agents. So the coaches are the agents, and ministry no ni F na be the principals. As I got minim say bia in since time immemorial recently what to say ebia KTB and our minister be so so more near the obikadia.
I mean TV.
And the question is then ne kwa omo ne hono bibia okay. Yes, yeah, me ba opa, me ba. So then ne be koswama sanya maneko eye proper channels e kom. Nti na say kan. Ebia ji ife na bo ne ho bra na yede ti omoka. And for the Black Stars, it belongs to the government. That's the nation. And it will interest you to know, say, you sign contracts and the crown, I am Ghana for the soon, but you can also about better one thing. And also another fascinating story on the different side. And the conversation, Nankasani say, then, and only say, Nafi can't say, a bit genuity be a business to Moka. And it answers my rhetorical question, say, a dentina F, ministry no debut mutimi to Monka yenti issue. They are having a source as a carnival over. And teacher Nhyira de nabosom so Dr. Yejuma. Yenim say scanebe free ban waba. That is what we want for your coaches no. A plan, a source, a fund. Yente san komo we kura biem. Then I say, sir, the agents are even working. I do baby na resource and sometimes I was say a question about and I say
nah, because me Coach Kim say come last. Now ball game person the Ghana qualified to the World Cup.
Exactly.
Near they almost a year.
Exactly. So sometimes when the results are not
the psyche crown will be something else. Yes, of course.
These are some of the effects. So how we see a proper structures, that's Emma ministry no secretary no cost here be wa. Say Jakogu finance minister na so. How much has we prioritized your football no? Because currently as we're speaking, we are in a country in himself football no for employment, but people are knocking on the door of the government with certificate of direct employment. The education minister say nipa 40,000 at your mountain. Only teachers pay 20,000. But ministry, the finance ministry is on for 7,000 pay. And say your teachers for more training kalimu so na yesu. Say no. So on the paper, bisasa employment no, and say this can be kwa share sports. Omo be choose wo. Because you can yente football now say as a business. Your friend is a football and say you bo bia keke because resource ne kramba. Contract ne kro musanya yin. This is the country you're about to do. So the finance ministry and the powers that be are prioritizing matters on the table. Education, health, a lot of issues on the table. So Metisana say fi make a very nice point. Say honorable Keselato Forsen already know only ministries need be cool. Agree education money. Oh no, because sikane nkwase ni omope. It is sports squad the baby. So sometimes say na men 40 nipa nko bridge gap between ministry ni sankofo we ni bebre. That's the sports minister men 40 ni bebre. Because when Harry Naiduso come out crying, I say honorable with all due respect, o de kwa we be swama in few. Meaning say commander me didn't say the health ministers. The agree for no kwano aka in say near man call of which these are the nitty gritties Ghana for ni here wo man. It means the sports minister no on your time in Sagunichi. So until when we will have solution to these problems, say yeah embedding problems in Nkwandia sports ministry no we know the powers that be. Senke education and comfort here mountain no finance minister ka say sika ni wa ye de be mo no ni education wo issue a yenti me fa blame no kwa sports minister. So it's a general problem. If an asa issue ni fra eba say Gabi, we need to tackle that place. So until say binye bibia sika ni be nyina fi say okay say coach ba say na ban ni di tu aye de fa hako say sika ni fi ya
see a case start your sports fan.
Thank you. That is the best. And untia government sectors near was structures are a tia be more command. Until the Chinese was me as you into America. Companies, I was our structures now. I yield this as you can. And he said, in a way, by fan, no, was a FEMA submission, Nibisenka, that betting tax and yes, scrubbing it totally off.
Yeah.
Maybe she could be a beba, a buying away the big or two, or one can some for ways and miss. And yes, I German minister now, ye bebo, more. And one thing, devoid of politics. I think, say your government to be a was a football, no, or this the power back one, it should be this current regime. Because one thing that affected them at Omoko was football. 2016, you call World Cup by issues by. So before they were coming, football. So me, in terms of football, most times, and I come just our government ready in terms of structures. And currently, say what follow government we are systematically. They are trying to do almost everything now. The outgone regime rules no more. No more. Ghanaians should be the mouthpiece. For the government to kickstart the founder, no, because at the back of government will only say, they want to do what the regime 90.
Okay,
that's how I've seen this government. And if government beats a football, I say no, they be correcting mistakes. So government win because they know the effect. How Ghana afford a Black Stars, no. Until sometimes problems, the pressure, do good coaches, no. I feel na mate as a coaches no crown. Yeah, na problems be brave. Paya for super mutado. On your content with that, still yet in a car. And we sell in your dear call World Cup buy. And say Jude Matia say we are bringing in new coaches. I ever see you Monsoka. And still projects and require that which baby. So in as much as say in your resource, no, young person mind the best. So the 1v1 should go in line. What the young coin beer, ye before sweet tiaka, Sikani free her neighbor, found in the general ha, ye discover way too. So the finance ministry will supervise. Send a coach stories with him because it's becoming very sad with the Ghana football.
Okay.
And by 30 seconds on House of Folk exclusive, no, they might no. I think it's high time so you encourage young players no you're leaking him.
Okay.
Because it's very evident this young guy from Bekum Chelsea, Joe, the good performance of my Oba Kotokwa Islands and bad obo. And sometimes I'm sided with. Say young players in Bino Mobona or Jomo say me I love it because I was say my idea near say young player obit me Ghana Premier League so coaches so and making grounds on a very preparatory to inculcate these young players in the team because modern football baby they are used for business wise, they are used for tactical changes near the young players with team for the future benefit. So I do concur with him on how I see promoting the young guys in our big teams.
Well, I don't answer a Kinsman no. Now, be a human.